Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a real legend in 1/64 scale, the Mini GT Subaru Impreza WRC98 NR3 1998, item code 975. This model comes in a collector-grade box with superb details, capturing the rally spirit of one of Subaru's most iconic race cars. Let's dive into both the diecast and the real car behind it. The diecast model is built at 1/64 scale, faithful to the original rally machine. Mini GT is known for precision, fine tampo printing, accurate sponsor decals, and realistic proportions. The Subaru blue and gold wheels livery is instantly recognizable, a tribute to Colin McRae and Nicky Grist's unforgettable seasons. Now let's talk about the real machine. The Subaru Impreza WRC98 was powered by a 2.0L turbocharged flat 4 engine, producing around 300 horsepower, 221 kilograms. It reached 0 to 100 km/h in about 4.4 seconds, with a top speed close to 200 km/h on rally spec. The car measured around 4.34 meters in length, compact yet aggressive, perfect for rally stages. This car represented Subaru's fierce competition in the late 90s World Rally Championship, going head-to-head with Mitsubishi and Ford. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive and turbocharged boxer engine became trademarks for Subaru rally heritage. It's not just a car, it's a motorsport icon. Mini GT captured even the smallest details, the rally lights, the golden multi-spoke wheels, and the precise sponsor placement. Collectors will appreciate how authentic this model looks next to premium brands like Inno64, Tarmac Works, or Pop Race. That's our unboxing for today. Don't forget to check out the full 360-degree view and diorama shots in the next videos. And as always, don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week. Non perderti i prossimi video. Iscriviti al canale per contenuti quotidiani su modellini in scala 1/64. Unboxing, 360 e diorami ogni settimana.